Welcome to the Facts Matrix. Today, we're diving deep into the invisible force that has fascinated scientists for centuries, powers the technology you're using right now, and even shapes our entire planet. That's right, we're talking about magnetism. Get ready, because we're about to uncover 10 mind-blowing facts about magnets and the mysterious force behind them. Let's get started. So, what exactly makes a magnet, well, magnetic? It all starts at the atomic level. Our first fact is that magnets work because of electrons. These are tiny particles that spin around the core of every atom. Think of each spinning electron as a mini-magnet. In most materials, these electrons spin in random directions, canceling each other out. But in magnetic materials, trillions of electrons align their spins in the same direction. When they all work together, they create a powerful, unified magnetic field. It's a perfect example of teamwork on a microscopic scale. Speaking of large-scale magnetism, let's look at the biggest magnet we know. Fact number 2, the Earth itself is a giant magnet. Deep beneath our feet, a massive swirling core of molten iron and nickel acts like a colossal dynamo. This spinning liquid metal generates a huge magnetic field, known as the magnetosphere, which extends thousands of miles into space. This magnetic shield is our planet's unsung hero, deflecting dangerous solar winds and cosmic radiation from the sun, protecting all life on the surface. Without it, Earth would be a very different and much more hostile place. Now you might think a planet-sized magnet would be pretty stable, but here's a twist. Fact number 3, the magnetic North Pole isn't fixed. Unlike the geographic North Pole, which marks the Earth's axis of rotation, the magnetic North Pole is constantly on the move. It's currently drifting from the Canadian Arctic towards Siberia at a surprisingly brisk pace of about 30 miles per year. This movement is caused by the unpredictable currents in the Earth's core, and scientists are constantly tracking it to update our navigation systems, from compasses to the GPS on your phone. Have you ever tried to isolate a single magnetic pole? Well, fact number 4 explains why you can't. Magnets always have two poles, a north and a south. They are inseparable partners. If you take a bar magnet and snap it in half, you don't get one piece that's just north and another that's just south. Instead, you get two brand new, smaller magnets, each with its own north and south pole. You can keep cutting them into tinier and tinier pieces, and every single fragment will still have both poles. This fundamental rule is a cornerstone of magnetic theory. You might assume all metals are attracted to magnets, but that's a common misconception. Fact number 5. Not all metals are magnetic. Only a select few, known as ferromagnetic metals, are strongly attracted to magnets. The big 3 are iron, nickel, and cobalt. Your stainless steel refrigerator door likely contains iron, which is why magnets stick to it. But metals like copper, aluminum, silver, and gold show almost no magnetic attraction. So, the next time you drop a gold ring, don't bother reaching for a magnet to pick it up. Magnetism isn't just for inanimate objects. Our planet's magnetic field is a vital tool for the animal kingdom. For fact number 6, we learn that many animals use magnetism for navigation. Migratory birds, sea turtles, salmon, and even some bacteria have an incredible built-in biological compass. They can sense the Earth's magnetic field lines and use them like a natural GPS to navigate thousands of miles during migration, find their way back to breeding grounds, or simply orient themselves. It's a true natural wonder that scientists are still working to fully understand. Moving on to fact number 7, we discover a powerful partnership. Magnetism and electricity are two sides of the same coin. This relationship is called electromagnetism. Moving a magnet through a coil of wire generates an electric current. This simple principle, discovered by Michael Faraday in the 19th century, is the foundation of our modern world. Almost all the electricity we use is generated this way. Giant turbines, powered by steam, wind, or water, spin massive magnets inside coils of wire at power plants, creating the electricity that lights up our homes and cities. But magnets aren't invincible. Fact number 8 reveals their weakness: heat. Every magnetic material has a specific temperature, called the Curie point, named after Pierre Curie. If you heat a magnet above this temperature, the atoms vibrate so violently that the aligned spins of the electrons are knocked out of order. They return to their random, chaotic state, and the magnetism vanishes completely. Once it cools down, it won't be magnetic anymore unless it's remagnetized. While the Earth is a big magnet, it's far from the strongest. For fact number 9, we look to the lab. The strongest magnets on Earth are man-made. Scientists have created incredibly powerful electromagnets and superconducting magnets for research. The most powerful laboratory magnets can generate fields over 1,000,000 times stronger than Earth's magnetic field. These supermagnets are crucial for experiments in physics, chemistry, and medicine, allowing us to study materials at the atomic level and push the boundaries of science. Finally, fact number 10. Magnets are absolutely everywhere in our daily lives, often hidden in plain sight. They're in the speakers that play your music, the hard drives that store your data, and the powerful MRI machines in hospitals that see inside the human body. They seal your refrigerator door, run the motors in your electric fans and blenders, and even the magnetic stripe on your credit card holds information. From complex technology to the simple fridge magnet holding up your shopping list, our world runs on magnetism. So, the next time you use a compass or stick a note to your fridge, take a moment to appreciate the incredible, invisible force at play. It's not just a simple attraction. It's a fundamental force of nature that shapes our planet, guides life, and powers our civilization. Thanks for joining us on the Facts Matrix. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of magnetism, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Your support helps us create more amazing content for you every single week. Well, there you have it. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, when the Facts Matrix brings you more facts about people, places, and beyond.